I'm Auburn Lucas, a tutor here at the RSN. In this Next Steps course, we'll create this stylish and lavish design inspired by the architecture at the Palace of Versailles. Embroidery is a beautiful and expressive art form that has a rich history but is still thriving today. Here at the Royal School of Needlework, we're dedicated to preserving these important skills and traditions and making embroidery accessible to everyone through our world-class teaching programme. Working through the techniques with me will help you develop your existing skills as we capture the richness and opulence of the 18th century. In this design, we'll combine a wide range of traditional techniques that work together in a balanced and cohesive way. During the course, you'll learn how different threads and techniques were brought together in the flamboyant costumes of the 18th century and how to combine a variety of advanced techniques from the era. You'll learn goldwork, beading, satin stitch, plate trellis, cut work and ribbon work. Through exclusive videos and step-by-step instructions, you'll create your own goldwork and ribbon work piece, learning all the stitches and discovering lots of tips and techniques to achieve quality results. Work at your own pace, watch the videos as often as you like and chat to the other students in the private Facebook group and stitch along with the exclusive kit. This RSN course is available exclusively online, so you can learn at your own pace from the comfort of home. So enrol today to take your skills to the next level and have fun stitching this special piece.